What's good, YouTube? I'm back. It's your boy Bino, and yeah, I got another unboxing for you guys. I just came back from reviewing my undefeated Kobe 5s that I just have, and I can't tell you from there, but you're gonna have to see the video itself, which is gonna be awesome. And yeah, so the second one, as you can see right here, I got another unboxing right here. I got another box for you guys. Again, I don't know what's inside this box as well too, so I have a bunch of them stacked up in my room like a tower. So why don't we get inside to what's inside of this box? And also hit me up on my TikTok. I have a TikTok, but I barely use it. So yeah, this is the first time I'm introducing my TikTok to you guys to see how well y'all will mess with it or not. But yeah, it's TikTok as well. I don't know, I just saw the idea of that Cole put in his TikTok information. Shout out to Colo for that idea as well too. Yeah, let's get to this unboxing. All right, enough of me talking, but let's get to this. There we go. Okay, now we rolling. All right, side. All right. All right. Oh, okay. This looks fancy. This looks old. All right. So here we have a regular Nike Dunk SB box right here. I know, classic. On the back, it has this label right here, and it has that simplified Nike sticker right here, you know, brand company and stuff like that. But let's take a look at this. This Nike box has a QR code. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, this Nike box has a QR code. It has the size, my size, obviously, girl size, and it has a Nike SB symbol right here. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is on this shoe box. But let's look inside this shoe. What we got? Ooh, am I dreaming right now? Yo, bro, I cannot believe we actually have these. Yo, we got the Safari Dunks, and now these shoes go for a lot on StockX and Go, if you ask me. To get it, I know a lot of people go on different apps to get it, but this shoe, man, I've been trying to get this shoe for a very long time, and it's crazy how this shoe, it's like, it kind of reminds me of like a Jordan 3 with the elephant print design and the not with the suede, but the elephant print in general. Like, look at this elephant print, y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all can look at this elephant print correctly, but this elephant print is pretty smooth. It's like really, it's really good. Like, it's really good. And even the inside of the sole as well too, it's just perfect. Like, it has that khaki-ish color for pants, and the green like insole as well too, and it's just crazy. I had a brain fart. And the tongue is just, or it's like dark orange, it's like brownish greenish, almost remind me of the Zoo. And yeah, it has, also don't forget, it has that little Nike check on the side. Also reminds me of a pair of Nike Air Forces. Really, this shoe it's been crazy. Like, ever since it came out, I forgot what year it came out, but I'll make sure to put the info down below as well too. This shoe has been a thorn to people trying to get these. I don't know if Sneaker app ever introduced this, but this shoe, it goes for a lot. It goes for a lot now, I believe, on StockX. I don't know the exact price for this shoe, but I do know for a fact that this shoe is just absolutely amazing, comfortable wise, durability wise as well too. And on top of that, nobody can get this in their sneaker rotation. I don't know, but not to go from there, but other than that, this shoe is really beautiful. It's like when they mean by safari, this is a jungle shoe. This itself, the green, the elephant print, even the texture around it, the color inside, the copperish, brownish type of flow. This shoe signifies everything. And it also comes with an extra set of laces as well too, if you want to match them. White and brown, you know. I'm not that type of guy to mix in laces, but I have seen other people do it, and it kind of looks cool. So you may never know. But other than that, this shoe is really amazing. Hold up, let me set this box down real quick. These shoes is absolutely amazing. Oh, don't forget, The back of the Nike shoe has a check. There's no Nike on the back. It just has a check, and that's just it. And the tongue looks amazing. Interior, and the interior as well looks amazing as well too. Don't forget about the sides as well. The sides look amazing. I can't lie, this shoe is really perfect. It's the way how it's been designed is just absolutely perfect. The shoe itself. Oh, did I ever tell y'all that this part of the shoe is suede? I don't know if y'all can look at that, but yeah, it's suede. It's really beautiful. Even on this side as well, suede. It's just really amazing. The laces are the laces are perfect. The tongue itself is perfect. I don't see any flaws on this, so this is a perfect shoe. And shout out to the plug for sending me this shoe. Y'all really know how to take a brother's taste. I ain't gonna lie, like y'all really do know how to take a brother's taste, for sure. I like that a lot from y'all. I appreciate y'all for sending me this, really. And I was surprised that y'all were sending me this too. Like, this shoe's actually awesome, I ain't gonna lie. And it also has that gun bottom. How can I be sleeped about that? It has that perfect gun bottom. But you might want to be careful how you easily. Depends on which shoe it is. Not like Adidas though, but yeah. Shout out to the plug for sending me this shoe. I can't thank y'all enough. I appreciate you guys for sending me this. And yeah, hope y'all can send me more again soon. But let's get to this OnFoot review and see if y'all mess with it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my channel. Share this channel, okay? Don't forget to subscribe as well too. Now, let's get to this OnFoot review, all right? Let's go.